Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I use a pair of leggings to make a nice head wrap around my hair. So if your leggings has a tag, you want to use the tag at the back, and if your hair is packed up, you want to use the front section and make sure it is in a high bun. So the first thing we're going to do is to tie the hair with part of the leggings. Now if you don't have hair, if you're on low cut, you can just take part of the leggings and tie it with a hair band or a rubber band, just like I'm using in the video. So make sure it is tight and secure because it's going to set the foundation for this head wrap. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm joking. Alright, so you want to take the two sides that are hanging and twist them together to the front of your head. And after that, you want to roll it round the little bun that you have made in front. And then you tuck it in. So you want to adjust whatever sides may be showing or any side that is hanging out and just make it suitable for your hair. And that's it guys, that's the first style I'll be showing you. Alright guys, so for this style you want to wear your leggings from the back and make sure it is secure in front. After doing that, you want to tighten it and roll each leg around your hair. If you do not have hair, if you're on low cut, you can put a nice little scarf just to create a bun that you can tie round, and then just make sure you tie it round nicely to achieve this perfect simple look. So guys, that's it. You too can use your leggings to make a very nice head wrap for yourself. Thank you for watching.